How to make money with AI. These days, artificial intelligence, AI, is such a hot topic that many people are questioning how to make money with AI. The recent public launch of the uber-popular chatbot ChatGPT, as well as increased company investment in AI technology, has sparked a media frenzy. While many people are concerned that AI will eventually take their employment, others are looking for ways to profit from it. Hello and welcome to Mr. Dibbles' YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future excellent stuff. Here are 7 of the numerous ways on how to make money with AI-powered solutions. 7 ways on how to make money with AI. As AI becomes more prevalent in our daily lives, there will be more opportunities to profit from it. Among the 7 potential ways to profit from AI are: Number 7. Create written AI content. ChatGPT and other generative AI algorithms allow anyone to quickly generate written material. It can help with blog post content, website copy, sales text for businesses, sponsored social media posts, and more. AI can help you create an outline, generate paragraphs, brainstorm ideas, and even write full pieces of material. It can help freelance writers produce more content by supporting them in breaking through writer's block and writing more quickly. More powerful AI systems, such as Jasper.ai, can assist anyone in creating great sales copy. You can write copy for emails, landing pages for marketing, and adverts. AI can also assist in the creation of strips for films or presentations, as well as ebooks, workbooks, and other materials. You can charge clients for these copywriting services and earn money by providing AI-generated written material. Number 6. Create AI-generated art. AI technologies such as DALL-E, Stable Diffusion, and Midjourney allow anyone to design image-generating prompts. The more specific the instruction you provide the AI, the better the visuals it can produce. PromptBase and other similar sites allow you to publish and sell these prompts as well as find and create ones. You may also sell NFTs of your work or turn your AI-generated art into a monetizable meme. You might even offer your AI-generated art as real things such as t-shirts, wall paintings, or decorations. Number 5. Make YouTube videos. Anyone can use AI tools to generate videos for YouTube in order to promote or sell a product or service. ChatGPT may produce video scripts and concepts. The program also includes a text-to-speech tool that may be used to generate a voiceover for the video. In the meanwhile, you can use applications like Synthesia to create videos for YouTube. Evergreen videos, those with material that will remain relevant in the future, can produce ongoing passive income through ad revenue or affiliate links integrated within the video. Number 4. Create artificial intelligence-generated digital visual products. You can also utilize AI to assist in the creation of many sorts of digital visual content, such as digital adverts for websites, business logos, and marketing materials. Tools like AdCreative.ai enable you to use AI to create advertisements and social content that you can sell to businesses. Pitch decks are another sort of digital visual content that AI can help you create. They're a set of slides that assist startup businesses in telling their tales to investors and possible business partners. AI solutions such as ChatGPT and Tome can assist authors in producing pitch decks for clients found on freelance sites such as Fiverr or Upwork. Number 3. Build websites. You can construct websites for small company clients or for yourself in order to generate cash from affiliate marketing, adverts, or subscription sales. Website builders such as Wix.com may assist anyone in creating a professional-looking website by using templates or Wix Artificial Design Intelligence (ADI). You may quickly design websites for clients, sell your items, or advertise affiliate marketing links. Number 2. Create audio AI content. Through text-to-speech functions, AI may assist in the creation of a wide range of audio content. You can create an audiobook script using AI prompts, and then use a text-to-speech generator to generate the audio. AI tools can also assist in translating movies or written content into another language. Nova AI software, for example, allows you to translate and add subtitles to a movie. You can provide translation services to film artists through freelance platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. Text-to-speech software can also be used to convert written content into an audio format, or to turn written text into audio for the visually impaired. Number 1. Develop online courses. You can utilize AI software to assist in the creation of online courses that you offer, including those that teach others how to use AI. ChatGPT, an artificial intelligence application, may assist you in brainstorming ideas and topics as well as developing course materials. AI tools can assist you in creating videos, writing scripts, and using a text-to-speech tool to record voiceover courses and other course materials. AI can also assist you in creating materials to market and sell your online courses to customers. Is it possible to make money with AI? AI can help you make money. It can let anyone create material more quickly, such as blog posts, videos, and online courses, which they can sell to corporations or through online platforms to gain cash. You must learn about the many AI technologies used to create content, as well as the best prompts for creating high-quality material and determining the best way to monetize your AI-produced content or services. However, because everyone can use AI to create content, you must stand out in order to make money using AI. This could include focusing on a certain niche, creating your own personal brand and voice, offering excellent customer service, and humanizing your content. Which of these tips would you personally use to make money with AI? Tell us in the comments below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable info.